Ari Fletcher is getting exposed about her best friend, or should I say her ex-best friend, Tuson. Now you guys know Ari and Tuson are very close, and she decided to give him a $20,000 check for his birthday, or should I say we thought she was giving him a $20,000 check for his birthday. And now he started a GoFundMe so he can get the $20,000. He said, "Hello everyone, I never thought I'd be in this position, but I'm reaching out for help after a heartbreaking betrayal. My best friend promised me $20,000 for a down payment on a car as a birthday gift. Trusting her completely, I went ahead with the start of the car purchase, only to have her not give me anything. Despite my efforts and hopes, I did not receive any payment, which actually after the camera stopped rolling and I did my heartfelt speech followed by a heartfelt text, and her response was, 'I love you too, but I have a disclaimer.' Then it went silent. After that, I received a call and I was told it was actually $10,000. She wanted to tell me, but they said she couldn't risk not getting a good reaction out of me for the show and the internet. And I'm sure you guys know that Ari is on a TV show called The Impact ATL. So anyways, Tuson continues and says, in the end, I received a $0 from my rock, and it was all for clout and media to benefit her financial gain and reputation. Now, generosity can make a world of a difference. Any contribution, no matter how small, is deeply appreciated. I am so very grateful for your support and kindness during this challenging time. Thank you for taking the time to read my story and for any support you can offer." So after this went viral on social media, people started calling Tuson a bad friend, and he responded and said, "Y'all tweaking. When the 20K was given to me, I came to the internet and was all excited, and y'all was happy for me. So now I come back and give y'all an update. I'm a bad friend. LOL, y'all crazy. Well, if y'all mad about that, just wait." So then someone said, so Tuson ain't get paid from the cooking show or something, because how you can't go get your own car? Like, they was getting hella views. He should have at least get paid for the videos he was in. Now you guys know Ari has a YouTube segment on her YouTube channel that is called Cooking with the Dun, and Tuson is her co-host. He's in like a majority of the cooking videos. So then he basically insinuates that Ari did not pay him, and he says, I mean, you would think so, right? Now, Tuson did go live, and I could only get a small clip, but he basically said that his best friend, his rock, spit in his face.
I congratulated her on the internet. I said, hey, I love my friend. My friend fucks with me. My friend loves me. Check it out. My friend check it out to find out it's all a fucking stunt. Okay, cool. Was told afterwards, oh, it's only 10,000. Me being the dog-ass friend, I said, all right, cool. I don't give a fuck. If anybody asks, I'm still saying I got 20. Okay, didn't play to go on and play my face for it to be nothing after I brought up the fact that I want to start receiving money off of this YouTube shit. And then I still wouldn't have brought it to the internet. Still wouldn't have brought it here until I got spit at. So now we're here.
And not only that, guys, shortly after the whole Tuson situation went viral, Ari decided to post her wearing a Richard Mille and a diamond bracelet on her Instagram story. Basically like, yeah, that money, that $20,000, I'm wearing it on my wrist. Because you guys know them Richard Milles are expensive. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. And a lot of people in the comment section was like, well, you can see what kind of friend Ari was when Arrogant Tay just decided to leave and go to New York to be with a dream. But I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. How would you react in this situation? What would you have done different? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.